This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check creatine is original. First, always buy your creatine from trusted sources like established supplement stores or official brand websites. This significantly reduces the risk of purchasing counterfeit products. Next, carefully inspect the packaging for any signs of tampering, poor print quality, or misspelled words. Authentic products will have clear, crisp labels and secure seals. Genuine creatine monohydrate usually appears as a very fine, white powder with no distinct smell. When mixed with water, it should dissolve quite easily, forming a clear solution without much sediment at the bottom. If your creatine has a gritty texture, a strong chemical odor, or doesn't dissolve well, these are red flags that it might not be an authentic product. Always cross-reference the ingredient list on the label with what the manufacturer claims. Authentic creatine products often carry third-party certifications, such as Informed Sport or NSF certified, which confirm purity and quality. Take a moment to research the brand's reputation online and read customer reviews. Consistent positive feedback and transparency are good indicators of a legitimate product. For ultimate peace of mind, you can contact the manufacturer directly using the batch number on your product. They can confirm its authenticity. Remember, if a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Extremely low prices are a common sign of fake supplements. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and stay safe with your supplements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.